Spiritual practice is not about the practice of the physical body or mind. We call it 修行 in Chinese. And all physical and mental practices are called 修命 in Chinese. Qigong has different forms in the spectrum of physical to spiritual practices. The spiritual practice transforms energy in between physical and non-physical. It requires a deeper perception of life energy, qi. Starting spiritual practice without a healthy and strong body or mind is not a good idea. When your physical existence is not ready, your body and mind cannot sustain the transformation through spiritual practice. In traditional Qigong, there are 4 stages of practice. We call them 炼精化气, 炼气化神, 炼神反虚, 炼虚合道, which described each level from physical to non-physical through Qigong practice. It is important to build a strong foundation at each level in order to advance to the next level. Most people practice Qigong for health, so they focus on the cultivation of the physical qi, which is the first level. They hardly touch on the spiritual aspect of Qigong practice. But the spiritual practice in Qigong is vital to your total well-being. There is a saying in Chinese that 修命不修性，到头一场空. That means it is a waste of time if you only practice the physical dimension. A good Qigong program should involve physical and spiritual practices and guide you to progress systematically and smoothly in both dimensions.